So today's part in the series from the Complete Air Fry Cookbook that shows that recipes cooked in the Philips can also be cooked in the Ninja Dual Draw Air Fryer is Herbie Baby Potatoes. This is by far my favourite recipe in the air fryer. I absolutely love baby potatoes in there. But of course in the cookbook we're not using these, we're using prepped ones. So of course you get a proper recipe in the cookbook, but I just love it when you get these little packs of baby potatoes. They're already prepped. We managed to get some on some yellow sticker as well. So I got 3 packs, so that's perfect for going in the air fryer. And this is all part of what I call the temperature test. And that is because when you buy an air fryer, you do not know which air fryer everybody else is using. So you might be following a recipe and it's made in the Philips, and hang on a minute, you've got the Ninja. Or maybe you've got the Cosori. But either way, you want to make sure the time and temp is right for yours. So by doing this temperature test, you can compare and just see if you've got a fast, a slow, or a medium air fryer. So what we recommend is that you follow these 12 recipes from the cookbook so that you can check out your time and temp. And baby potatoes is one of them. So we're following the baby potatoes recipe, time and temp from the cookbook, even though we're using pre-packaged potatoes. So the potatoes recipe is on page 137. So let's find it. Oh, detour. Homemade chips in the air fryer with step-by-step pictures. I mean, oh, who doesn't love those? Sliced potatoes. Oh, there we go. Too tired to cook baby potatoes. I call them that because they're so easy to prep, even homemade. So now cookbook to one side. And let's get some of these baby potatoes on, shall we? And then these are just amazing. And they're already seasoned, so you don't have to season them. So I've got 3 packs here of these. And here's the second pack. And then making sure the butter goes in there as well. And then finally the third pack. Hang on a minute, that is a lot of potatoes in one air fry basket. So you can do that amount, or what you can do is you can spread them out between the 2 air fryer baskets. This is just brilliant. So then it creates a single layer in here, and then they'll cook faster. So if you have a look there, we've got 1 lot and 2 lots. And then pop them in. 10 on your air fryer. And then this is the part of the air fryer I get really excited about. I absolutely love the match button. I mean, who doesn't love to match on the air fryer? I mean, it's just brilliant. And what it does is you press whichever button you want. And if you look, it's doing both sides the same time. Look, you've got 200 there, 200 there. So then you just adjust it to what you want. So I'm on the air fry button there, and then I'm wanting the temperature of 180 Celsius, and then the time of 20 minutes. And then you simply press start, and they match together. And as you can see, they're both going at the same time. But watch this, I think this is really cool. You open up the air fry basket, they both pause. So if you're checking in the food on one, then the other, up like that. And it's just brilliant because they sync together, and then they're going to be ready with the same food in each air fryer at the same time. And they baked at the same time. I mean, isn't that amazing? It's the little things in life, isn't it? Wow, those are the baby potatoes. I mean, don't they look fantastic? Can you believe that's in the air fryer? They're just amazing. Now, the most important thing is the fork test. Then you can check out to see if the fork's tender. And wow, look at that baby. Oh, let's go with a bigger one. Yep, the bigger ones are cooked as well, and they just go so brown and yummy, and they're just so nice cooked in the air fryer. You're just going to love them. Don't forget to check out the complete air fryer cookbook, made from 10 years of air frying experience with lots and lots of air fry beginner recipes. 140 recipes are included, and they're just so easy to follow with plenty of step-by-step instructions for all the key recipes so that you can become a master of your air fryer. I know you'll love it, and it's just £10 on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, as well as following us on Pinterest and Facebook and joining our Facebook group. We are also on TikTok now, so don't forget to follow us at TikTok /recipethis.